Dongguan Yixin Magnetic Disc Company Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Hong Kong Sunny City International Holdings Limited, was founded in 1993, which investment capital is $9 million. The factory area is 20,000 square meters with 212 staffs. It owns the certifications of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, SA 8000, and numbers of Certificate Invention Patent, Certificate of Utility Model Patent, Certificate of Design Patent, High-Tech Enterprise Certificate. The factory facilities include CNC, EDM, injection molding machine, single and double color, spray coating lines, printing machine, and QC facilities. It commenced on manufacturing magnetic disc, video cassette, and mobile phone case, phone charger, set-top box, and healthcare products were the main businesses during the transition period. Currently, the company consists of multi-products R&D. Main product is our own patented refillable perfume atomizer, which own brands are Travalo and Perfume Pod, with good reputations worldwide for many years. We always offer co-branding with famous brands. We always debate with copycats for our patents. Besides, the main services involve to product design, R&D, mold manufacturing, injection molding spray coating, and assembly. The main products are perfume refill spray atomizer, cell phone accessory, healthcare product components, consumer electronics components. Dongguan Yixin Magnetic Disc Company Limited, your one-stop service supplier. Inquiries are welcomed.